Hi guys, it's Roseann Zaft from LIVFITT, and today I'm excited to share yet another delicious green smoothie recipe that's super easy to make and super nutritious because it's a complete meal. So today what I'm going to do is take organic baby spinach, and I'm going to literally take, and I like my greens, so I'm going to take about 4 handfuls of greens. I'm going to just put it in my Vitamix blender. It's a really high-speed blender. So I'm going to add that. And then I'm going to put my ice cubes in. I've got, I don't know, maybe about 6 or so ice cubes. And I'm going to add in, I'm using Sun Butter Natural sunflower butter. I really like this a lot better than almond butter and peanut butter for a lot of different reasons, especially if you're allergic to nuts. Sunflower seeds are a great source of protein as well, and it makes this delicious. And I make these pretty heaping big tablespoons. So I've got 2 tablespoons of butter, sunflower butter. I'm going to add in the organic protein powder. This is vanilla bean, and I've got 2 scoops of that. So right now, between the sun butter and the protein powder, I've got 28 grams of protein. And spinach also has protein too. So lots of protein here. Now, a little tip here, I've got bananas, frozen bananas. You know when bananas go bad, they never, there's that certain ripe time and then they go bad. So I like to go ahead and I'm going to take about a half a banana. I just chop them up and I put them in bags and I freeze them, and I have a longer shelf life for my banana. And then I've got about, let's see, this is a pint, so I'm going to do about 6-8 ounces of water. And I'm going to let it rip for a while and come back with a delicious green smoothie that is yummy for your tummy. So again, simple ingredients. You saw it just took a few seconds to make. I'm not going to put this blender on because it's really loud and noisy, but let me tell you, this is delicious. I hope you'll try it soon. Have an awesome day.